The reputation tab is where you manage all your client reviews. First, connect your Google Business profile in the Launchpad tab by clicking Connect. A check mark means you are connected. Then here, you can see every review and request you have sent. You can also manage your reviews widget. This is something you embed onto your website or funnel, so it shows your live reviews right on your site, and it updates automatically as new ones come in. There is also an optional listing tool you can switch on. It helps you rank higher on Google and gets your business listed across a whole range of online directories, which boosts your visibility and helps more people find you online. Now click the gear icon. This takes you into your Google review request settings. From here, you can send the Google review request with one click, and you can even automate it. You can also have AI automatically respond to the reviews left on your Google profile. So when someone leaves a great review, GrowUp can reply for you. To set that up, turn on auto responses here. You can choose to only auto respond to 5-star reviews or 4-star and above, whatever you prefer. You can set how long to wait before responding, and you can add a footer that goes at the bottom of every response, something simple like thank you. Scrolling down, you can generate your review links. There is one for your Google Business profile, and because your Facebook is connected, you can generate a Facebook review link too. Just click to generate each one, and for Facebook, that link takes people straight to your Facebook review page. Scroll down a bit more, and you can set up exactly what your Google review request says. You can write the email version and the text message version in your own words. Once you have written them the way you want, just make sure to save the email request here and the text request here. Now, when you go back to the reputation tab, open overview and send a review request, those email and text messages are already prepared because you set them up in settings. Pick a lead and their phone number and email fill in automatically. Choose whether to send by text or email, and it goes out exactly the way you wrote it. And that is everything you need to know about reputation in GrowUp Business.